Welcome to my YouTube channel. I buy this. Guys, I can't believe it. So let's open it. Let's see. It's like a keyboard, but it's keypad. I'm gonna go get a scissor real quick. I'm just gonna. Look, guys. I'm gonna take that off. Hey, look. Look. But yeah, guys, thank you for supporting me. I buy this from Amazon. It's K-Pass, K-Caps. If you want one, make sure to subscribe. I mean, not subscribe. You can subscribe, but also like if you want it, it's K-Pass. It's on Amazon, and yeah, you can buy it there. Bro, it's so satisfying. If you got like a gaming setup, you could pretend that this is a keyboard, and you could go like you could stick it together and go like it's like you're playing Fortnite. But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe. I love you guys super duper much. Bye.